So this is the Bitcoin US dollar 1 hour chart. So on the 1 hour chart here, I'm specifying on this area of the chart because this was where the trading activities of last week took place. So looking at the chart from here now, I have a descending resistance, which is this, which has two touches, first touch here and then second touch. So and it is trending downwards, which is a high here, first touch, a low, lower high, second touch, and then down to this area, which is the lower low, this point, lower low, and then back up here, lower high, which is the third touch. Alright, so looking at it, it is in a bearish structure. So we'll be anticipating more of a sell when the market is bearish. So now, looking at it here now, we have a supply zone which is highlighted here. As you can see, I highlighted this supply zone here. And then not just this supply zone, we can see that price is already on the descending resistance here, which is this point. Therefore, this is the third touch. This is our anticipated third touch. So it is a good opportunity to enter for a selling position because we have a supply zone here which has been mitigated. You can see that price has visited the supply zone, which is this supply zone. We can see that price has entered the area of the supply zone, and we can see that it is also tallying with the descending resistance, which is this area. Looking clearly, we can see that price has touched this descending resistance and as well as entering the supply zone. That's why you can see that the price is reacting. You can see that the price is reacting. You can see upper week rejections, indicating that the sellers are really dominant in that area. So what does this call for? It calls for a selling position. You can open a selling position there. But now we have this ascending support here from the low, this point, this low. You can see I established an ascending support, which is this, which has two touches, a first touch here and then a second touch here. Price pushed upward and it has not visited this trend line the third time. So now, since price got to this point here, which is the third touch and the supply zone, the sellers are expected to be more dominant here. So we can expect price to break below this support here. So on price breaking below this ascending support, it can indicate for addition of a sell position. So that is it. So this is what we'll be expecting up front for next week. From next week, this is what we'll be expecting, more of a selling position. Alright, I will keep